What's going on, guys? Jake here with Uncommon EDC, and today I'm unboxing or opening the Gondek EDC Hank of the Month Club for June of 2020, or 2022, I'm sorry, and have a couple hanks on the table from Gondek EDC just to show kind of what type of hanks they make. None of these are actually from the Hank of the Month Club. These are all buyable hanks, or were buyable at one time. And so just kind of a random sampling here of different hanks. Usually they're going to have this microfiber cloth on the back side. Every once in a while you'll get designs like this where it's a dual-sided design. But for the most part, you're usually getting that microfiber hank. And they're kind of smaller hanks, I think around maybe 7x7. And so a little bit on the smaller side than some of the hanks you get. There's obviously some that are 5x5, a little bit smaller even than that. But usually theirs are going to be that 7x7. And this subscription runs $10 a month. You get a unique hank that you can't buy in the store. They never sell again. And the other benefit of it is that if you like the material, the pattern on it, you can use that for any of their custom pouches as long as they still have material left. And that's exclusive to Hank of the Month members as well. So if you like the pattern, you can get custom pouches. And I actually have a few of those already, but yeah, just kind of a nice extra added benefit. So today I'm opening it up with the Arcane Designs crawler. And obviously going to be careful here. Always worry about cutting the hank itself. And actually, this is just going to peel right open, so I don't even need to worry about that. There we go. And so there's always a nice letter to go along with it and explain kind of the theme for the month. Sometimes it's pretty obvious, but this one looks like kind of a plaid, I forget what this is called, I'm sure it'll say it in the description, kind of quilt design. Let's read the description, and you can feel free to pause here if you don't want to listen to me read it, but I do typically read them out loud. So this is the 29th month of the Hank of the Month Club with big number 30 next. I never thought we'd get to even half of where we are now, but we continue to be so thankful for all your support. June to me is all about enjoying the outside and the warm weather by the water with this, and this fabric makes me think of enjoying the outdoors. Picnics, going to the park, playing outside, walking the beach by the lake, all that good stuff just makes me and the family so happy. This hank we feel is perfect for this. Feels like classic boardwalk shorts, but in a hank. We love trying new designs, but changing the actual material itself is a whole new level for us. Lauren showed this fabric to me a few months ago, and I thought it would be sweet, but would be even cooler if it was actually a quilt. Okay, yeah, I was right with the quilt. Once she told me the choice was a no-brainer to pick this for the Hank of the Month Club. Little did I know that it was way harder to work with than a normal non-quilted fabric. Took a little extra time, but we feel it was worth it for this incredible unique hank. Thanks you so much for being a member of our club. Happy hanking. Thanks, Max and Lauren Gondek. So yeah, nice cool quilted pattern on this one, and definitely gives off those kind of summer vibes and even like picnic blanket vibes. So cool little hank this month, and yeah, definitely another cool design. Always like getting these. They're always super unique. Have a playlist down below, or it'll probably be linked at the end of the video actually, with all of the Gondek EDCs. They're a really good one. Last month was probably my favorite of all time. So a lot of cool hanks out there, and they make pry bars, pouches, and patches as well. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, definitely check them out. They're really, really reasonably priced. But thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you think of this month's Hank of the Month. And be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. As always, hope you have a great one. Take care.